In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Elementor quickly and easily, whether you want to adjust a heading, a text block, or any other widget on your page. This is one of those simple design changes that can make a huge difference in how professional your website looks, and once you know where to find the setting, it only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Elementor tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and make sure you're editing the correct page. Once the editor loads, click on the widget you want to change. For example, this could be a heading widget, a text editor widget, or any other text-based element on your page. As soon as you click the widget, you'll see its settings open in the panel on the left. Now look at the left panel and click the Style tab. This is where Elementor keeps most of the visual design controls for the widget, including colors, spacing, and typography. Under the Style tab, look for the Typography section. If it's collapsed, just click to expand it. Inside Typography, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that icon to open the detailed text settings. Here, you'll find the font controls for your widget, including font family, weight, line height, and of course, font size. To change the size, you can use the size slider if you want a quick adjustment, or you can type in an exact value if you want more control. For example, you could enter 24 pixels if you want a fixed size, or 2 rems if you prefer a responsive unit. If you're working on a heading, you may want a larger size to make it stand out more. If it's paragraph text, you may want something smaller and easier to read. The great thing about Elementor is that you can experiment until it looks right, and you'll see the changes live on the page as you make them. If needed, you can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure the font size looks good on every device. That's especially important if you want your website to feel polished and user-friendly on smaller screens. Once you're happy with the new font size, simply leave the settings as they are, and Elementor will save the update when you publish or update the page. And that's it. You've just changed the font size in Elementor for a specific widget. It's a small adjustment, but it can really improve the clarity and overall design of your page. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and I'll see you in the next video.